The book, Customer Sentiment Management Based on Analytics, presents its content through a meticulously structured hierarchy of chapters. Its central objective is to bridge organizational divides by harmonizing two essential elements: customer relationship management, CRM, and analytics. This fusion aims to establish a holistic framework for proficiently managing customer sentiment and behavior, centered on analytics. Unlike CRM, which often neglects sentiment and behavior, analytics delves into them without consistently addressing management strategies.
This book meticulously bridges these aspects, introducing a comprehensive framework grounded in analytics, data mining, and machine learning. This framework extends across disciplines like statistics, management, computer science, and philosophy. The book, Customer Sentiment Management Based on Analytics, immerses readers in sentiment analysis and its skillful administration, employing a meticulous framework that prioritizes sentiments. Importantly, it's exclusively available in Kindle format on Amazon.
Thanks. Kindly consider liking and subscribing to explore further about the creative thinking process. Let's stay connected and embark on a journey of learning together, contributing to a more improved and inspiring world.